The technique I share with you today is the technique that professional drummers use to play drums fast and smoothly with a minimum amount of effort. It's called the free stroke technique. Some people may call it natural stroke or rebound stroke, but no matter what you call it, it remains the same. It's a wrist playing technique that allows you to execute a stroke with only one movement. Let me explain what I mean. When a beginner tries to play some strokes on the drums, what he's doing is lifting the stick up, then playing down and stopping the stick in the down position. Then he lifts the stick again, hits down and stops the stick. So you can see that every single stroke actually requires two movements, up and down. In contrast, the free stroke starts from the top position and is played down, followed by the stick rebounding back to the top. Notice, you are not pulling the stick back, but letting the wrist follow the stick's rebound. It makes a huge difference because this way you only need to do one movement for the stroke, down. To master this technique, it's important to understand the stick grip that suits it best. You see, when you pull out the stick, there's a chance that you're doing it this way, with the palm facing outward. But if you place one of your hands to the other hand's forearm, you'll notice that the forearm is tense. So what helps my students to avoid the tension is a German grip. In German grip, when you put your sticks in the up position, your palms are facing each other. And if you check your forearm holding the stick in the position, you'll notice how loose your hands are now. You can do it even without the stick. Tension, no tension. Tension, no tension. After we found a suitable grip, the next step is to understand how to actually play in the position. Because in German grip you can't just play up and down, otherwise it will lead you back to the position of tension. But the movement is more rotating, like this. And here's the exercise to help you to practice this motion. Hold your sticks in a fist way like this with your thumb under the stick and try to play some strokes in this grip. You'll notice that you only can use the rotating movement to play now. Of course, this is not how we hold the sticks in our actual playing, but this is a perfect exercise to get the motion of German grip. When your hands get used to this rotating motion, switch your grip back to the actual one, and now it's time to start to do a free stroke. Put your sticks to the top position, make sure that your palms are facing each other and your hands are relaxed, and use the German grip rotating motion to throw the stick down and let it bounce back up. If you're new to this technique, it can feel very unusual, so take your time to let your hands get used to it. You can practice with a metronome by playing some whole notes in slow tempos about 40 to 60 BPM. And you can also practice without the metronome, just using a stopwatch on your phone and play one stroke for 5 seconds or longer. Keep it in mind that the slower you practice, the faster you progress. After you get comfortable with the free stroke, start to practice stick control book using this technique. Practice 1 page a week, each exercise 1 minute non-stop, and you'll see that your hands are getting better and better. If you want to learn drum techniques with me, you can find my contact information in the description below, or you can continue to watch some of my other videos. I'm Edson and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.